The unique technology of Shell Helix Ultra Motor Oil cleanses and protects engines for maximum performance. To see the technology in action, let's take a journey inside the engine. Once the oil's poured into the filler cap, it flows down to the sump at the bottom of the engine, where it collects and is then drawn through the oilways up to the oil pump and forced through the filter. We've chosen a 4-cylinder petrol engine as it's one of the most successful and widely used engine designs today. The filter removes any large particles from the oil which can cause wear and blockages. From here, the oil's fed into the crankshaft to lubricate the bearings and is sprayed onto the underside of the piston and cylinder walls to provide essential cooling and protection. The oil then travels up through the oilways to the top of the engine, where it lubricates the camshaft to ensure a smooth contact with the followers, which move the valves. When using a normal mineral oil, engine sludge can build up from small particles of degraded oil and combustion byproducts, sticking together and accumulating on engine surfaces. This dirt can lead to increased engine vibration and wear, and a decrease in efficiency and performance. As the engine gets dirtier, the oil degrades faster, altering the oil viscosity and reducing the protection of vital engine parts. Shell Helix Ultra's unique formulation contains active cleansing agents performing two vital tasks. The first ensures that small dirt particles are surrounded by the oil and held in suspension. This prevents them sticking together and forming larger accumulations of harmful dirt and sludge. The second task cleanses the engine surfaces where dirt may have built up. The active cleansing agents break down dirt deposits and hold these in suspension until the next oil change, when they can be safely removed with the oil. An engine kept clean with Shell Helix Ultra will provide maximum performance, protection and efficiency. In tests, Shell Helix Ultra has been shown to reduce sludge buildup 5 times more effectively than normal mineral oil. The piston rings play a very important role, stopping combustion gases entering the bottom half of the engine where they contaminate the oil. With normal mineral oil, dirt accumulates in the piston ring grooves, creating an uneven surface and forming gaps that allow gases to escape downwards. These gases end up in the sump, breaking down the oil, preventing it from protecting the engine effectively. Shell Helix Ultra's active cleansing agents work to keep the piston ring grooves free from dirt. The clean grooves allow the rings to make a tight seal, preventing gases from escaping downwards, and thus ensuring the oil effectively protects the engine right up until the next oil change. In many parts of the engine there are points of very high shear. One of these is the crankshaft bearings. The forces here are so great that the molecules responsible for maintaining viscosity in normal mineral oils can literally break apart, leading to a loss in viscosity. This means the oil's ability to provide effective engine protection is much reduced. The molecules in Shell Helix Ultra are designed to withstand the extreme shear forces, enabling the oil to maintain the correct viscosity. In tests, Shell Helix Ultra provided superior engine protection. Free radical particles formed from acids and byproducts of engine combustion can harm oil molecules. In normal mineral oils, they oxidize the oil, degrading and thickening it over time. This leads to a dirty engine and reduced ability of the oil to protect. The additional antioxidants in Shell Helix Ultra's formulation neutralize more of the free radicals, slowing down the oxidation process. This means the engine oil can protect the engine parts and ensure it operates at its best. Shell Helix Ultra technology provides you with 5 times better cleaning, 3 times better shear stability, and 2 times better oxidation resistance than a normal mineral oil. If you want maximum performance from your motor oil, make sure you choose Shell Helix Ultra.